Yeah, see, multiply the matrices. Yeah, before that, click on subscribe. Uh, Now I will explain how to multiply the matrices. The first, consider this first row, and in the second matrix you consider this first column. Okay, now put a square here. Now this is the first element, here this is the first element. Multiply this and this, so we get 1 into 0, put bracket, put plus. Next, take second one, this is second one, multiply this and this, so 0 into 1. Okay, next, consider the same row but second column. Now don't consider this. Okay, now similarly how you multiplied, again this and this you have to consider for multiplying. I mean first row, this is second column. Same, first element, so 1 into 1 right here, put a bracket, plus this is second element, this is second element, so 0 into 0, 0 into 0. Okay, next, now this in first matrix, first row is finished. Okay, now consider the second row, second row, first column you consider. Okay, so this is the first element, here this is the first element. Okay, I just erased to avoid confusion. Now this into this, 0 into 0, here you write bracket plus. Next, consider this second element, here this is second element, so minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1. Okay, now this column is finished. Now consider the second column. Now this is first element, this is first element, so 0 into 1 bracket plus. Now this is second element, this is second element, so minus 1 into this 0. Okay, now simplification. Okay, 1 into 0, 0, plus 0 into 1, 0. Next, 1 into 1, 1, this plus, 0 into 0, 0. Next, 0 into 0, 0, this plus, minus 1 into 1, so minus 1 only we get. Okay, next here, 0 into 1, 0 only, this plus will come here, minus 1 into 0, again 0 only. Now simplification. 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1. Here see, a bracket, we have to remove the bracket. Before that, here plus sign is there, we have to distribute the sign. So plus into minus, okay, minus 1 will be asterisk. I have written 1 asterisk. Okay, so plus into minus, this 1 will be asterisk. 0 means nothing. I have just discarded this. I have not written here. I have written only this part. 0 means there is nothing. It's no problem. Next, 0 plus 0, 0. Okay. This is the answer. 0, 1, minus 1, 0. This is the answer. Hey, thank you. Once again, I request, please click on subscribe.